How you get so much favor on your side? Accept them as your Lord and Savior, I replied.
What is good, guys? It's been a minute. Alright, so I just got home from work. It is 5:42. This video dropped about like maybe an hour ago or 2 hours ago. It's Lil Yachty, Drake, and DaBaby, Oprah's bank account. I seen little stuff like on Instagram and it looked hilarious. So I wanted to watch it, see what it's about. And yeah, you know, it's Drake, DaBaby, you know, them two are hyped. Yachty, I haven't really heard anything from him in a minute. So let's just get back into it. It's been a minute, guys. I've missed you. If you haven't already, go check out last video. Great video. It was the Kobe tribute by Bad Bunny. Yeah, man, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. But I'm back. Y'all see Orlando City. Y'all know what it is. But, yeah, we're back at it. Let's get it, man. So, I don't know. Let's get right back into it. Hope y'all doing good, man. Hope y'all blessed, been doing good. Yeah, man. Comment down below how y'all been and stuff. Let's get it.
Diamond in the rough, you look as good as Oprah's book. I just wanna take you out.
Wait a minute. That'd be, you know what I'm saying? Alright. That's a good beat. I like it.
You in your mama house, overseas, I fly you out. Is it tricky? She
Jersey?
Let's just find it out. Baby, what's up with your mouth? City girl straight from the south.
Back home, I know Prezi, I'm Obama.
Oh, he's not even gonna say hey everybody. He's just gonna sit down, start talking. That boy Icy, you see the ice on him? That boy, he got the little waves going. Okay. Yo, Yachty. What's going on, my man? That outfit, the curls, he really looking like Oprah out here. That's funny. You got the big old earrings too. That's hilarious.
Condone the drama, I tongue down Madonna. Do you need pajamas? Yeah, stay in the night, girl, you promised it. I hide in the cave like Osama did. I'm blowing the bag in the diamond district. You need me like dollars that are owed to you. Yeah, money and me are the same, but I just don't fall for you. Run me your body, I put a range on the road for you. I don't know what you were told, but I ain't mad at you, baby.
Bruh. Yachty killing me, man.
So Drake, tell us. At 33 years old, you just now pierced street. This is true. So, why and how has it affected your life?
I look at pictures of myself without a beard and I absolutely kind of shudder.
I was trying to let mine grow, but your boy got
not sure how I went through life really functioning like that. And I think, that was a big change for me. And the ears were just the next step. I mean, you talk about the greats, you talk about Rick Fox, you talk about Shamar Moore. It's really just about just reaching.
I just noticed it's 9 minutes long, the video.
Full, your LSC, really about reaching your full LSC capability. And I just feel like this combination has just allowed me to arrive at the peak of the mountain. I'm up there on the Mount Lightmore.
So would you say that it helps with your famous Instagram post?
It's really just a natural thing that I was born with. I'm not really sure what people are referring to when they say like I do a thing like with my lips, but I'm just like I don't know. I'm just doing what comes like own that to me, just own that trial.
This new generation of music, these new rappers, the mumble rap. What do you think of
the mumble
rap? I embrace it. I love, all the little ditties and all the little jingles that the kids are doing, on their SoundCloud or the other thing, Talk Tape. That's
Talk Tape.
Yes. TikTok. I think it's amazing, just
Talk
literally
writing
like nursery rhymes that nobody can understand. I think it's like sort of really like progressive and innovative. And you know, I think at the forefront of that movement of music that should be forgotten about is Little Yachty. I think that guy is just an absolute innovator.
Little Yachty.
Just like music that should never be referenced.
Yo, hold on. This man's actually like, Yachty's into that role. That boy Bopra, because that's what they named it, I guess. But he's really into that Oprah role right now. He's serious. He got the hands like this on the legs and stuff. Hey, my man, serious about the role right now.
Or hurt by human beings again.
Drake gives TV's best performance. Anyone after him would be minuscule.
It's the LG phone?
Mr. Yachty.
Oh, I forgot they did drop that
places.
phone.
This is going viral.
Copying Samsung with a double.
Let me see that. Okay.
Double, a little flip
Break your legs, bro. If I sent you out, me too, be a boy crazy.
Okay. Yachty and Bopra.
I just wanna take you out. Fuck you in your mama house. Overseas, I'll fly you out. Is it tricking? Do she really love me? Let's just find it out. Baby, what's up with your mouth? City girl straight from the south. Is they mad that you fuck?
Alright. For real. That's a good beat. That beat right there. That's a good beat. I like that beat. It's catchy, it's nice, not too crazy. That's a good beat right there. Could this mean that Yachty is working on a new album? He dropped it today with DaBaby featuring Drake. So could this mean that his album is coming soon? Maybe in April?
That you ride around in a Bentley. Is they mad that you not with them? They same hoes hating being my DM. That's what's up. Locking it down, locking it down, locking it down. I want you. I want them to know you my baby boy. We still make it look every time we step on niggas look at you.
I mean, can't cook. If you can't take the heat, stay out the kitchen. Look at what I just paused it on. Technical difficulties. Please stand by. Look at his face. Oh my gosh. Look at that is hilarious. Oh man.
I ain't mad at him, baby. If I sent you out, me too, be a boy crazy. Diamond in the rough, you look as good as office.
Got a couple
I
pizzas.
just wanna take you up as good as office. I just wanna take you up as good as office. I just wanna take you up as good as office. I ain't mad at him, baby.
Baby girl, baby boy. Boat magazine, the magazine for chick users and men abusers. To all the Chanel buyers and all the stripper inquirers. Looking for a scammer in Hellcat with 4G Auto tires, baby. Enter in now to win our sweepstakes for a visit with Dr. Fort Lauderdale. As close to Dr. Miami as we could get. Hurry up now before the next girl gets hers.
Wait. Yo, as the Great Valley Dr. Miami, Dr. Fort Lauderdale? Really? Really, bruh? Dr. Fort Lauderdale. That's the Great Value Dr. Miami. You ladies, if you can't get an appointment with Dr. Miami, go ahead and hit up Dr. Fort Lauderdale. They got you. That's hilarious.
Bitch pull up looking like Oprah Banks. Let's go. Take a pic with a bitch she fake. She look like a goddess, but she ain't no saint. My bitch bout it, she need her a tank. You know ain't no limit on blue honey. My bitch like a big bag of money, that's new money. You gon' make the bitch think that you love her. Hold her hand right in front, you be too public. Take the little nigga, bitch, he ain't do nothing. Now this bitch going baby on baby. Let's go. She want me to stay. And I hope that these niggas don't play. Let's go. Bitch looking good as Oprah bank account. I'm the type to take a nigga hoe from him and take her out. Keep the butt, I take the mouth. The baby.
Wait a minute. Hey, slow it down, my man. Like, chill. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, don't be talking about that Be a good guy. No, I'm kidding. Hey, but did y'all see in Tampa what he did? I'm not gonna lie though. Like if somebody had a flashlight, you know, on my face like this, and then hits me, you know what I'm saying? I don't blame him because he probably thought it was a guy, but he slapped. For those of you that don't know, he slapped a woman because a fan. She put her phone. She was recording him, and she, pop, you know what I'm saying? She got too close, hit him, and he just turned around and slapped her, which is crazy to me because, you know, first of all, he should have had the security with him. Where was security? He always got security with him. And two, you can't be hitting a fan like that. I mean, I get it. Yeah, you got to protect yourself. Somebody hit you, even though it wasn't really like a hit, but you got to stay away from trouble. He has a good future with music. He's talented, but stay away from that negativity. Focus on the music. Have your security with you, and that's it. Get to your shows, do your show, go on about your day, work on your music. He's a talented dude, man. So,
you know, would you say that your music is its own genre? I mean, let me get this correct. I would say you make a song, and you make another song. You make an album, and it sounds like one whole song, one same song. Mm-hmm. How do you react to that?
Well, see, look, Boper, it's interesting that you say that. See, I always admire people's perspective on this matter because it's like you make every damn song like an ongoing song. You never got to make another song again, man. It's just, you know.
And it just keeps going platinum.
Free bands. So, hey,
back to back.
Triple platinum for the rest of my life.
I'm going to just throw this out there. Y'all see this right here? My nightstand? My night desk? Whatever it's called. Y'all see those water bottles? Bro, I be drinking so much water throughout the night. I don't even know why. Y'all see that J. Cole KOD album? Shout out to my boy Zeke. Over here, we have the vinyl of the KOD album. Over here, we got a little bit of art. We got DBZ. I think we have Gogeta. And then Dreamville. Shout out to Tati. Pops T. I'll put her Instagram. But yeah, man. Alright, back to the video. I just had to share that because y'all probably seen it like, damn, this dude got a lot of water. I'm just saying, bro. Stay hydrated.
Now, when you say, let's go.
Let's go.
Where are we going?
But see, look, the thing about the let's go line, it always depends on where I'm coming from.
Right.
I could be going to your bitch crib.
Whoa.
I could be going to the bank. I may be going to the bank from your bitch's house, and then I may go back because your bitch love money. So it all depends on where I'm coming from. But either way it goes, it's let's go.
You know it, baby.
Have you thought of the baby's GPS where you just tell them, let's go?
That's great. You've always been an innovative mother.
I am rich. Very. So one more. And this is just the last one.
Okay.
All right.
Take your time.
What do you think about this? The baby's daycare.
The baby's daycare.
Baby's daycare.
I need 20%.
The baby's daycare. The baby's. Come on, bro.
I ain't mad at him, baby. Let's go. If I see you out me too, be a boy, you crazy. Let's go. Diamond in the rough, you look as good as Oprah's book. I just wanna take you out. Fuck you in your mama house. Overseas, I'll fly you out.
Looking like David Dobrik out here. You get a car. You get a car. You get a car. Alright. Get right.
Let's just find it out. Baby, what's up with your mouth? City girl straight from the south.
Oh, wait. A boat. Little boat. You get a boat. You get a boat. I thought he was giving out cars, but hey.
Who's the best? Who's the best? Who's the best? That's fucking right.
I just wanna take you low, this girl is Oprah's book. I just wanna take you low, this girl is Oprah's book. I just
That was actually funny. That was hilarious. That that was good. That was a good video. Respect to them. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button, subscribe button if you haven't. Turn the post notifications on. Let's grow, man. Let's keep growing together. I know it's been like a month since I posted, but you know, your boy got a new job, so he's been, you know, on that. You know, P's and Q's, focused on the new job, and yeah, you know what I'm saying. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay humble, stay blessed. God bless you guys. Love you guys. And yeah, let's get it. More content coming soon, I promise. I promise. We out.